I'd intended to have a video done today, and the video was about carb cleaning using an ultrasonic cleaner. Ran into a little problem though. That problem is the editing software that I use, called Shotcut, decided to corrupt the editing file. Completely blew the thing apart. All the edits I did, I spent about 2 hours. I'd cut the thing down to about 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Gone. All of it gone. Everything gone. I had to start over. By that time, I was supposed to be done, so it was time to get something to eat, go to bed. My experience with Shotcut has not been, it's been okay, but there's some real problems with it that I want to make you aware of. Number one, file corruption. Okay, the XML file that it uses to determine where the cuts are, what the effects are, and all that, it can just go corrupt at any time. I'm not saying other brands don't, but this one is especially prone to it. I've lost several this year and had to start over again, causing me to scramble at the last minute. Kind of like this. Second thing, it's like every other software update you can't use. Because what they will do is they'll put an update out and everything will work fine. Then they'll put another update out and everything will break. And it isn't even that the new features don't work, but the old features are fine. No. It'll break old features. So even stuff that you rely upon will not work anymore. Number three, for being what's supposed to be an almost non-linear editor, you can't do things. I did install a version of Resolve on a computer that my brother owns, and I played with it. And I can select several things at once and move them around. I can't do that with Shotcut. I literally can't go in and just move things around. I can't select an entire track and apply an effect to everything. Well, this is kind of basic now. This is basic stuff for editors. You should be able to do this. Am I saying it's the worst software in the world? No. But it's maddening at the shortcomings in it and the things and the workarounds you have to do things. For my money, you can get for free, right? Not just for my money, for free, you can get DaVinci Resolve. It's modern software, it works. It's a little slow in coding, from what I'm told, unless you pay the license fee, which is $300. But $300, and then it uses a proprietary rendering engine, which is much faster. And they don't require you to do updates every month like Adobe does, or pay them every month like Adobe does. I don't want to pay rent. I want some software that works, and they say it's going to be that way for a while. Well, great. Let's do it. It's already what Hollywood uses to do all the coloring. Well, if you can just use one piece of software and it's that high quality, why use anything else? So until I get a better computer and I can afford something better, I'm going to be stuck with this pile of crap. But if you have a newer computer, mine's 7 years old, if you have a newer computer, don't use Shotcut. Use Resolve. Use something that's better. Better software exists. I'm JD, and I'm pissed. Bye.